YouTube video. Sorry for the shitty ass angle. Fuck you, dipshit. Let's get it on. So what me brother is doing here is he's gonna chug a sparkling water.
Oh, that's a perfect pour. That is beautiful.
Give me Hab can. Hold up for.
Toby.
Fuck.
All right, this is gonna be fun. I'm sweating. All right, let's see it.
Oh god. Oh. No.
No, wait. Okay.
Okay, try it.
I messed up the start. Okay. What do I do? I've never had that happen in my entire life.
Dude. Are you good?
I have no idea what happened. My shirt's all wet now.
Bro.
I'm gonna send that to your girlfriend.
I don't know
As you can see, that was totally a success.
I don't even know what happened. I don't know.